here's another video. I've got this Mini with a faulty brake servo pressure switch. Let me show you the problems. When you start it up, you get this little error pop up with the air in the middle, and the engine management light is on also. Let's highlight that for you. So I'm going to be having a look at that today. First thing I'm going to do is pop the bonnet, and under the hood you can see here under this cover is where the servo is located. Ideally, easier to remove the two wiper arms and this plastic panel to gain access, but I'm nimble fingered and I've got some skills. So what I'm going to do is just remove this cover here, and let me just show you inside, get a bit of light inside there. That's the sensor there, servo sensor, pressure sensor switch. So what I'm going to do is now, difficult to film obviously, just going to pop it out, and you heard the pressure as I remove this. Let me just show you here. You hear that little hiss. That's the sensor down the bottom there, and I've disconnected it from this grommet here in the servo. So all I've got to do now is press this little clip to remove the sensor from the harness, the wiring harness. And I'm doing that now. Like I said, difficult to film and show you, but I'm just disconnecting it here, as you can see here. Now that's the sensor there, that's the servo brake sensor switch. I've removed it, and let me just show you on the back here. It's original BMW, it's got these serial numbers and everything, part number, sorry. Okay, so I've gone on the internet and I've managed to find one for $13.99. Ordered it. That's the model number of my car, R60, and miraculously it's arrived the next day. Okay, let me just pop it out of this bag lively, and I'll just put the two parts together just to make sure they're the same. Obviously this is not a genuine BMW part. Okay, so 3 pins inside, so I'm happy with that. It looks the same. So it's just a matter of refitting it. As you can see there, it's got no markings on it, as it's non-genuine. So I've just got to do reverse, just got to feel my way inside and connect it to the harness. And you had that click there, so it's just clicked in place. And let me just show you. Get my hand out of the way. And that's the sensor on the bottom connected to the harness. Just got to plug it in this grommet here into the servo, and I've done that. Let me just show you here. So that's the sensor fitted. I've plugged it back in to the servo via the grommet. So now it's just a case of refitting this cover. Just clips on, and I'll just pop inside the car and give it a try. By accident. So if I start it up now, as you can see, the air has disappeared. The red lights for the handbrake. Just have a look at the engine management light, which is still on. So if I switch the engine off, and switch it back on again, you'll see once again the error has disappeared, and also the engine management light has disappeared also. So that is a successful repair. Okay, thanks for watching once again. And please subscribe.